Got a fresh idea for your clothing brand? Want to turn your creative vision into stunning fashion designs without hiring a designer? In our last video, we showed you how to design a logo for your brand. In this video, I'll show you how to start your own clothing brand with AI product design. Hi everyone, welcome back to Fotor for Business. First, head to Fotor for Business Hub. Scroll down and find the product photo canvas. This is where all the magic happens. Once inside, you'll see a blank canvas, ready for your creativity. On the left-hand panel, click on AI Image. Now enter a prompt that describes the kind of product you want to design. Think of it as telling Fotor exactly what you're envisioning for your brand, whether it's a sleek jacket or a fun graphic tee, along with your brand name and the style you're going for. Hit Generate and let the AI do the heavy lifting. In just a moment, your design will appear. Let's make it fit the page and really bring it to life. Want to experiment? Let's add a new page. We had a cherry graphic design idea earlier, but let's switch it up to a cherry pattern and see what happens. Pretty cool, right? Since Halloween is around the corner, why not try something seasonal? Add another page and change that cherry design to a Halloween pumpkin theme. Hit Generate and boom, you've got two fresh product designs, one on a model and one with a nice clean background. Let's keep the clothes-only version for now. But we're not stopping there. Say you want to go beyond t-shirts. If I switch the product to a bag, just watch how cute it turns out. And as winter approaches, maybe a cozy winter coat design would fit your upcoming collection. Fotor gives me two options. One looks great, but the other makes it look like the coat is floating. No worries. With Fotor's tools, we can fix that. Let's remove that background. Just click the background remover, and within seconds, the coat stands out on a crisp white canvas. You can also enhance the image. Add a shadow to give the product more depth, and adjust the brightness and contrast to really make it pop. It's all about making sure your designs look professional and polished. Now, let's take a final look at the designs we've created today. If you're happy with the results, you can download all your images in the same size, ready to share with manufacturers or feature in your marketing materials. And that's how you can easily start your own clothing brand with AI using Fotor. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of designs you're planning to create with Fotor. Can't wait to see you in the next video.